this is Paul, and today we're going to walk through the tutorial on how to use the new features of Unity's international partner pages. What I really want to stress on today is how to help you download the asset necessary for translation, as well as how to upload that video back into our systems once that YouTube video has been published. Some of the new changes you'll notice in Unity is as soon as you log in into your Unity page, we will automatically display the name of your channel. Your channel will also be visible to the left side of the screen where you will be able to toggle between multiple channels. Most international partners don't only manage one channel, but some of you do channel multiple channels, so this will allow you to view and manage the content of more than one channel at a time. As usual, and once you enter on this page, you'll be able to use the calendar to grab a larger portion of our video library, and by default we'll basically show you the last 30 days. Once you get to the page, you'll quickly notice the number of videos available for you to download. We're basically introducing two new colors. The orange rows are basically going to highlight rows identifying videos you've downloaded or assets you've downloaded for translation. This will help you remember which were the original videos that you downloaded for translation. And once those videos have been re-uploaded into our system, those rows will turn into green color, which will basically identify how many videos you've uploaded back into our system. Just before we begin, as you basically make decisions on how to enable or download the videos that will become successful in your YouTube channel, we've kept the preview feature as is, but we've also added the ability for you to watch YouTube metrics directly in your decision making. The TRT here stands for total runtime, which allows you to, at a quick glance, look at videos, how it's performed, how many likes, how many dislikes, and what is the like to dislike ratio, as well as the total runtime of that video, and in other languages if it was translated. These columns are sortable, so you'll be able to sort by most popular or least popular, and before you begin your download. So let's move forward into the more important elements, which is uploading your videos. So let's say you've already downloaded a number of videos and you want to upload that video back to our system. In this case, we're just going to take this one as an example. So the first thing you need to do is click on this button. So this button is the edit button. It will create a brand new video for you, a brand new page for you where you can start uploading your video. What's important here is that you identified the original English project that you've used to download, and then associate your new YouTube video against it. So in this case, we've already downloaded a video. We will click on that and the overlay will ask if you plan on creating a video that was based off of this original English title. Go ahead and create video entry. In this case, we'll create a project name and assign your language to it. You'll notice that your new project page says this video is translated, and it will inherit a lot of the categories and subcategories and tags that were associated to the parent project. At this point, all you need to do is enter the YouTube ID. So in this case, we're basically going to grab the YouTube ID from the video that we've just translated and enter it here. Click on Go, and the system will go to the YouTube databases and take all of the information from YouTube and enter it back into our system. So you'll get the green your information was updated successfully message. You'll notice that the publish date has been entered from YouTube, as well as a progress meter shows 50%. So this is step one of the process of ingesting your video. In this case, the title, the language, the description, as well as the tags that came into YouTube with your thumbnails are going to be entered directly into the system. Step two is to take your original video file, the one that you've recently edited, and upload it into the system. The process is pretty simple. You simply have to take your file and drag it into this area. As soon as you drag your file, a new tab will open called the Unity Upload Manager, and the purpose of this file, of this tab, is to give you a progress report on the videos that you're uploading. You don't need to do this one at a time. The Unity Upload Manager can upload up to 5 files at the same time, so you could just move forward and move on to your next project in order to begin the uploading process. So we're just going to wait a little bit for this upload to happen, and while we're waiting for this, we're going to go ahead and try to upload another project. So we'll go back to our listing page, and you see in this case everything has turned back to green, showing that you have begun the uploading process. We'll grab another video and it'll ask us if you want to create a video based on this parent. We will, and so we create the entry. In this case, we'll go and seek the other video from our channel that is associated to that. This is the video that's associated to that title. We will take the YouTube ID and enter it back into the YouTube ID field and press go. And in this case, the same process begins. We seek from YouTube all of the information, including the thumbnails, and all that's left to do is for you to go back and upload the video file that's associated to this particular thing. And the upload manager will open again, and at this point you'll see that you're uploading 2 videos simultaneously. You can do this over and over again for all the legacy videos that you've translated over time, and try as much as possible to associate your legacy videos with the ones with its original English parents based on the titles of the videos. So we're almost done with the upload. You can notice that our first file has uploaded, and as soon as it uploads, the upload is complete. It'll turn green to mean signifying that the upload is success, and a view project button will appear, allowing you to return to that project back into that tab. And at this point you'll notice that that particular project, the import progress is at 100%. All your information from YouTube is available here, as well as a message that highlights that you finished the uploading your file. You can at this point download the video for your viewing pleasure, or replace an existing video and re-upload it again. We're not done yet. Even though we've completed the whole upload process and YouTube video process, the last step is to click on the encode video button. This encode video button will reload your page, and on our end this video will start encoding. This is it. You're done. So you don't need to come back to this page again. As long as you click the encoding video button and it begins encoding, you're done with the upload process. Going back to the upload manager, you'll notice that there's still the secondary upload that keeps going, so you can continue working on your other projects. Going back to the pages you started on with, you'll notice at this point that we have increased the number of uploads to 7. Both projects are in green, and we are now capable of working on other projects. So this is how you can upload video projects back to Unity. As far as questions, I often hear, I accidentally uploaded the wrong video. It wasn't this YouTube video I needed to upload, it was another one. So in this case, let's take this particular video that needed to be uploaded. So we'll take the video ID and go back to one of our uploaded files and click on edit. And in this case, you'll see that this particular video has a different thumbnail and different description, but unfortunately we made a mistake. So you can come back, paste a new YouTube ID, and what it'll do is it'll go back and fetch the information from that new video allowing you to switch your video, identify your video with the thumbnails, but it won't replace your uploaded video file. If you uploaded the right file, this is correct. If you did not upload the right file, then you can replace the existing video file. It'll reopen the element and you can drag your video file again, and that will begin another upload. So this is the process of uploading videos. And so if you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to either Derek or Alex or me, and we'll be happy to help you with any of other issues.